my radiance, welcome back to the channel. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Pamela. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you or doing a tutorial on how to do a soft brown smoky eye. I know I have done like a black smoky eye, so I think I've not done this brown smoky eye, and I know you guys need this tutorial, so I'm going to be doing that. It's going to be a very easy and simple smoky eye tutorial you come across on the internet space, trust me. So let's dive straight into it. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to be using like an eyeshadow primer or concealer to prime my base. No, I'm going to use a liquid lipstick. This is the lipstick palette, so I'm going to use this dark shade of brown, okay, for my eyeshadow base. So I picked it up with my finger. I'm going to go ahead now to place on my eyelid. And when I do that, I'm going to look down. Okay, so it's going to give me like a guide for where I'm going to apply it. So we look down. You see, don't pass this line, this small line of demarcation. So we're going to apply there. Remember, this is just a lipstick. Apply generously, don't apply inwards immediately. So now I'm done applying the shade of brown I have on my lipstick palette. So this is the outcome. Can you see how it is on my eyes? So now I'm going to go ahead to use a flat brush. This is the flat brush. This is how it is. Okay, then from my Fairy Gold palette, this is eyeshadow palette, I'm going to now take another shade of brown. This is going to be powder product now. The initial thing we applied was liquid. Now I'm going to put a shade of brown, powder brown, on the place that we place the liquid product. Just dab, okay? It's more like you are setting it to put it in place. So now I'm going in with another darker shade of brown. The same place, you're going to place it. You dab, right? That's what you're doing. You are dabbing. Don't go above here, just follow here. And don't go inwards immediately. Like, don't go inwards. Focus here. So this is how it's looking after placing the brown eyeshadow on it. So we have to like make everything to blend seamlessly so you don't see harsh line. We're going to go in with a lighter shade of brown. So I'm going to be using this. Using a fluffy brush, okay? When you pick a product, dust off excess. And we're going to be in circular motion, okay? Because you want to achieve a good result. Then go in maybe with another lighter shade of brown. So we go over again, circular motion, using a lighter shade of brown. So, you know, I'm like caramel, well, let's say caramel or kind of dark, I don't know. So people might not really see the color like that, but I know it's coming out. If you look properly up close, you will see the difference. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Circular motion. Now everything is blended seamlessly. So using a flat brush, I'm going to go ahead now to pick a black eyeshadow, okay? Remove excess, then here you just drop a little black eyeshadow. See if you are drawing a line, just little. And then we have to blend. So now I'm going to use this fluffy brush to blend the black properly, to make it very even and smooth. Here you go, up close. So now for my waterline, I'm going to use a flat brush. I already picked a shade of brown I used on my eyes, so I'm going to use it on my waterline. You draw down, then you start placing. So make sure it joins with this particular one here. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? We take it inwards. Can you see the outcome? Now to line the water line, I have picked my product. I'll just drop gently. You have to carefully do this so you don't injure yourself. So now that I'm done applying my waterline, I'm going to use the same black I applied on my eye here. I'm going to use it to blend out this black here. So this is it. Gently. I hope you see properly. The same thing I'll do on the other side. So this is it, up close. So the next step now is to brush out our lashes with our mascara. You do this process gently because this particular eyeliner I'm using is from Kiss Beauty, okay, and it's very, very pigmented, extremely pigmented. So you brush out gently. So next up is my lashes. I'm going to be applying this lashes on my eyes just to complete everything. So this is the final outcome of our brown smoky eye, okay? Very flawless and simple. This is the shade of brown I have in my palette. You can have a better shade of brown and it's okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Okay, drop your lovely comments and make sure you share my videos. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.